What's up YouTube, what's up y'all? My name is Everybody Jones and you're welcome to my channel. Okay, so I got a request from one of the guys under one of my videos. It was a comment, and he was asking how to create a setting that will allow your JPEGs to pass through camera raw before it enters your workspace. So first of all, move on to edit, down to the last option, then to camera raw. It's going to open a page like this. Then we have general and file handling. So you move on to file handling, you ignore the first one, then you move on to the second one. So we have JPEG and TIFF handling. We're going to click on the first one, then set to automatically open all supported JPEGs. Then for the TIFF, as we all know as TIFF, click on it and set that also to automatically open all supported TIFFs. Then just click on OK. Afterwards, bring in an image, and yeah, let's just see how it's going to turn out. Okay, so as you can all see, I'm bringing in a JPEG to my workspace, and now it passed through camera raw, and that's because of the setting that I did. Yes, so you guys can try this. It's very simple. You can do this instead of having to load the image and later go back into camera raw. You can just do this setting and it's really going to help you. Yeah, so guys, that is it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.